Okay, so today we are starting further. The lesson which we were reading, that was the rat trap. Okay, there was a peddler who used to sell rat traps in the market. Okay, so it was late in December. In the story when it is running, so we have already studied seventh part. You can see it here. In seventh part, it was there in the beginning. He was not feeling any difficulty when he has stolen the money, but later in the forest he was feeling that he has got entrapped. Okay, in the trap of money. And now the time, what was it was December. December means you can understand cold season is running. So, and late means it is night. Darkness was already descending over the forest. Descending means prevailing, means it was, means everywhere darkness was visible at that time. What visibility means? Rat trap seller was able to see that every nook and corner was filled with darkness. This increased the danger. And you know, when it is dark in the forest, definitely all the animals have more chances. Okay, when they have more chances to attack on any person, definitely the life of the person is in danger. So rat trap peddler thought that yes, danger increased because now very less light is there or no light is there, because darkness was every side, and increased also his gloom and despair. Both words have the same kind of meaning. Gloom means also sadness and despair means also sadness. I have written hopelessness, but they are related to similar kind of thing. Means now what was there when red trap seller was watching this thing, that every side was filled with darkness and he was not able to find the way when it was light also. So this added, okay, by this more increment was there in his hopelessness, that he will not be able to come out of the forest. Finally, he saw no way out, means ultimately he understood that there is no way to go or get out of the forest, and he sank on the ground. Sank on the ground means he sat down. Sank down means sat down. Generally, sank down means drawn down is there, but here meaning is there sat down. So what he did, he sat down on the ground, tired to death, and what was there? He was thinking that now my death is approaching, because in the forest different animals are there, different creatures are there, many dangerous creatures are also available. Okay, all these things definitely will be very much dangerous for me. And in this way, when he sat down on the ground, in his brain there were a lot of thoughts that he is going to die, thinking that his last moment had come. And he was thinking in his brain, one thought was running. What was that thought? That his death came now, and now he will not be saved under any circumstance. But just as he laid his head on the ground, he heard a sound. Means when the rat trap seller was trying to lay down on the ground, okay, for sleeping, that okay, whatever will come, I will face it. So he heard the sound, because when we touch the ground, definitely vibration of sound reaches up to a long distance. So he heard a sound. What kind of sound was there? A hard regular thumping. Okay, as now we tap the table, the thumping sound means very heavy sound was there, as somebody is running hammers. And regular sound was there means one third comes, after that sometime another third comes. Okay, in this way regular sound was coming there. So there was no doubt as to what that was, and the red trap seller was able to understand, he was able to perceive, he was able to judge the sound, which kind of sound is this. Okay, in this way he thought, okay, now he got some idea that from where sound is coming, which kind of people are making these sound. Okay, how much distance can be available. One more thing is there, if sound is coming, that means people are also available in the forest. If people are available, definitely he can go to them. Okay, and in this way he can save his own life also. So this was his thinking. So he raised himself, means he got up. He was lying down. In place of that, what he started doing, now he got up. As he got up, those are the hammer stroke from an iron mill. And he just ran his mind and he started thinking what was there. These strokes are there, the sound which he is able to listen. Okay, in that condition. So what was there? These sounds were there of hammer sound And from where they were coming? From iron mill. Iron mill means where the work of iron is done. Okay, means pig iron. It is called raw iron in Hindi, but in English it is called pig iron. Pig iron means the iron which is not molded. Okay, which is not made anything. That simple iron. Okay, which is means taken out from the ground and in its original form. Okay, then what happens? Its clarification happens when its purification happens, and then it is sold in the market in the form of blocks, so that other things can be made. So the sound was coming from where? From an iron mill where people were working and they were using hammers. That's why the red trap seller was able to use the sound. Now, next line, there must be people nearby. So he thought one more thing. What thought was there? Definitely people will be there. And then what is there? He summoned all his strength, got up and staggered in the direction of the sound. What is meaning of this sentence? Means he summoned means he collected. All his strength means as much power he had at that time. Because he was already hopeless. And when his hopelessness was there, so his strength was going down. But when he listened to the sound, he thought some people would be there. So he collected his whole courage, power, strength. And he stood up. Got up means he stood up from his place and staggered. Staggered means with heavy steps, he started moving in the direction from where the sound was coming. So overall, what is there? Means in the late December, it was very much darkness in the forest. Okay. And darkness was increasing the threat. Darkness was increasing the danger. Okay. And now red trap seller was thinking that he will definitely die. So he thought that now he should sleep down. Okay. And he should wait for his death. As he just laid down on the ground, so he heard a sound, and the sound was there of hammer sound. So he got up, he started thinking what it could be. When he thought, then he found that some people would be there, because it is sound of strokes of some hammer, okay, which is coming from nearby iron mill. So he collected his whole strength, power, and got up from his place, and he started moving in the direction of the sound, from where the sound was coming. So what was there? The Ramsau Iron Works. This was the name of the mill. See, the Ramsau Iron Works. It was the name of that mill from where the sound was coming, which are now closed down. Okay, and this iron mill was closed, already closed from many days. Were not so long ago, but this was not closed many days before. A large plant means a factory, you can call here. It was a big factory with a smelter. These are names of machine: smelter, rolling mill, and forge. Three different machines are there. Smelter means in which the iron is melted. Rolling mill is there, means where iron can be rolled. Third is there, forge means you can call it where cinders are burned. Okay, coal is burned and fire is made. That is called forge. Sometimes we call it furnace also. Okay, meaning will come downside furnace. So what was there? The Ramsau Iron Works, which had three specific things for molding iron, that was smelter, rolling mill, and forge. And it was not long ago started working. Okay, it was a very big factory. In the summertime, check here, in the summertime, long lines of heavy load, okay, barges and screws slid down the canal, which led to a large inland lake. And in the winter time, the roads near the mill were black from all the coal dust which shifted down from a big charcoal crates. So see, meanings you have to learn first. What is meaning of barge? Here the meaning was first blue meaning is there. Okay, so barges means a long flat bottomed boat. So it is one kind of boat carrying what? Freight on canals and rivers. Means freight means the items which are sent from one place to another place. Okay, freight generally it is called cape. Okay, second is there scow. So this is also a flat bottomed boat. Okay, used for transporting cargo and from ships in harbor. Clear? Second meaning is this one. Shifted you already know. Crates are there. See, sometimes we are putting as Pepsi crates are coming, and different cold drink crates are coming. That is crates. Clear? Means where you can put the things and you can shift from one place to another place. So in the summertime, long lines of heavy loaded barges and scow slid down in the canal. So there was a canal. Canal means water supply line. Okay, a water body. Generally, it is available in villages also for supply of water. So in that, what was there? Different boats used to sail. In that boats, what used to be there? The raw iron or the other iron led to a large. And what was happening? This canal. In this canal, boats were there. These two names are boats. Okay. And what boats used to have? Loaded with heavy. Okay. A lot of load were there in that. In summertime, these boats were sailing in the canal, which led to a large inland lake. And finally, this canal used to meet to a lake. Okay. Where this everything used to be supplied. And in the winter time, and winter time, what was there? When cold season is a very cold season. So canal supply is blocked. Okay. So the roads near the mill were black. So what was there? As many roads were available nearby the mill, they all were becoming black. Why? Because coal supply goes from there and coal particles are fallen everywhere. So it becomes black. So overall meaning of this line is there. What meaning is there? There was a iron mill. Okay. The iron mill in whatever raw supply used to be there for iron mill, that has two ways. One way was there from canal side. Okay. That was used in the summertime, and the winter time the roads were there. Okay. And from roadside when coal was supplied, so its pieces and its a small dust particle kind of, they used to be collected and road used to become black. This much only. During one of long dark evenings just before Christmas, okay, the master smith and his helper sat in the dark forge near the furnace. So forge is place where furnace is placed. That place, who were sitting? Two people were there, master smith and his helper. Two people were sitting in the dark. Okay. And what was the time? It was before evening. Okay. Christmas was next day, and before Christmas evening, they were sitting there. Okay. And what happened after that? Waiting for the pig iron. Why they were sitting? They were not working anything, because right now pig iron was not available. Pig iron means raw iron, which had to be put in the fire, which means the same pig iron. So pig iron had to be put in the fire, means pig iron will come and they will put that pig iron in the fire. In the fire means the same for furnace. Okay, to be ready to put in anvil. Okay, anvil is also one device. You know very well, I think, anvil. I am giving example. Wait 1 second. So overall, what was there? The summary of this line, that in Ramso iron mill were, what was there? There was a smelter, a rolling mill, a forge. Okay, there people were working, and what used to be done there? That raw iron or pig iron is converted into the main iron. Okay, and the supply comes from a canal and through a lake also. Nearby one road is also there, that becomes that became black due to the particle of coal, okay, or dust of coal that is settled down everywhere. So it looks every side that is charcoal is there. Okay. And one more idea is that before the Christmas evening, the master smith and his one helper both were sitting nearby the forge, and they were waiting for the supply of pig iron. And finally, they were thinking, if pig iron comes, so they will put the pig iron in the fire and it will be ready to put in the anvil, so that further work can be done. Now, every now and then, means after some time, one of them, is two were sitting, one helper was there and master smith was there. One of them got up to stir glowing mass with a long iron bar, returning to a few moments dripping with perspiration. Perspiration is sweat. So out of them, means two were sitting. Out of them, one used to get up from his place. He used to go nearby the furnace. Okay, with one long iron bar that used to move the burning coal inside the uh, furnace. Okay, and when he was coming back, at that time, what was situation? He used to be dripping with perspiration, means sweat. Though as was the custom. Okay, means this was running. Custom means this was continuous work. First one is going, then second one is going, then first one is going, then second one is going. And whenever the person was coming back, he was dripping. He was just from every side, sweat used to be there on his body. He wore nothing but a long shirt. And for in the name of dress, what they were putting there? That only one thing. What was that thing? Shirt and a pair of wooden shoes. And in the legs, what were the wooden shoes were there? Because at that time, different shoes which are available nowadays, they were not available. So only wooden shoes were there. And why wooden were there? So suppose any means melted iron, if falling on legs, that definitely it will be saved. Means legs or feet will be in safe condition, because first of all it will burn to the wood. Okay. All the time there were many sounds to be heard in the forest. So in the forest there were many sounds, different sounds. Okay, which sounds were there? First of all, the big bellows groaned. Okay, so one bellow was there. Bellow means a big, okay, air bag is there that emits a stream air used for blowing air into the fire. So means, you know very well, I am telling that also. Generally ladies are using, when they are using at home chula, okay, the old one in villages. So they blow air with the help of bellows. And the burning coal cracked, means more fire is created with the help of this. The a fire boy shoveled charcoal in the maw of the furnace. Means a boy used to be there who was generally moving the fire again and again, so that fire will not be extinguished. Okay, and where he was doing this thing? In the maw. Maw means mouth of furnace. Okay, furnace means bhatti. So in the mouth of furnace, a person used to be sitting there. And what was the name of that? The fire boy. He used to be called a fire boy. He used to take a rod and he used to put that rod in the mouth of the furnace, and he used to move the all charcoal which used to be inside it, so that fire will not be extinguished, with a great deal of clatter. And then what used to be there? Lot of sound used to come. Okay, cracking sound, clatter sound, rumbling sound kind of, when charcoal is moved. Okay, and when air is blown, at that time also the sound of charcoal used to come as cracking sound, as something happened. Okay, outside rolled a waterfall, and this is the scene of inside. Outside, what is there? One waterfall is there, and sound of dropping water is also coming. And a sharp north wind whipped the rain against the brick tiled roof. And outside rain is also there. Okay, which is looking like this, as somebody is whipping. Whipping means, as you know, whip means in Hindi it is called, whip means chabuk. Okay, so as somebody is moving a whip in the air, so some sound comes, swish sound comes. That sound was coming from outside, and from it was how it was coming, when the raindrops were dashing against the tiles of the roof. Okay, in this way, what was happening there? Lot of different sounds were there. Here 3-4 sounds are explained. Clear to you? Okay, so today we are stopping here only at the page number 10. This is completed. What you will do, page number 8, 9, 10, you can take screenshots. Page number 8, and then this page number, take a screenshot of this page also, and this number. Okay, so that is all for today. See you tomorrow at your own class. Till then, take care.